Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to create content for your app. But in the earlier tutorial, I taught you how to create content using the detail view. But now we're going to use a data view, okay? So first you have to click create app, alright? And then I'll put the app name. Again, we're going to use the blank view for this. Click create. Okay, so this method of making a content for your app is more advanced than the one I taught you earlier. Okay, so here's a name, description, etc. But we're gonna skip this. So you have to click here, edit. So we'll go straight into the content. Just hold on for a bit, it's still processing. Okay, so in the earlier tutorial, we used the detail view, this one. This is a simple way of making content for your app. But if you want a more app, co- uh, complicated view, then we're going to use the data view. If you have a lot of information and a lot of details, it is best to use data view. So just click this data view. Alright, so first we have to create a database. We're going to choose new database, and then we're going to create a database name. Okay, so there's our database name, database 1, and we have to choose the number of fields. So for this tutorial, we're going to use 3 fields. Okay, and then we have to put a field name. So the first field, we're gonna call it the name field. And then the second field, we're gonna call it description. And the third field, we're gonna call photo field. Okay, so in the first field, you can see here there's a data type. And the data type is going to be text. So for the name field, it's gonna be a text field. And the second field, the description, the database is still gonna be text field. While the third field, the photo field, we have to change the text into image. Alright? Image data type. So you can see here there are many kinds of data type. There's the text, number, date, location, image, date set, remote image, audio, video, etc. But for the photo field, we're gonna have to choose the image field, okay? So after you do that, just click accept. Alright, so this is our database, and we can edit this by clicking this button, edit button. Alright, so this is the database. This is the name column, the description column, and the photo column. So we need to put some information in this database. So we're gonna do that by using an article. So actually this article is a PLR article. Alright, so this article is called Clean Menu Ideas, and my suggestion is for you to choose articles that are like a list. Okay, so this is a list of clean meal ideas. So you have number 1, ultimate tuna sandwich, number 2, everything salad, number 3, quinoa salad. So that is my suggestion. So let's copy the ultimate tuna sandwich, copy, and then paste it on the name column. So we can do that by clicking this icon and then paste ultimate tuna sandwich. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the article and copy the description and then paste it on the description section. So we're gonna do this for all the items in our article. So number 2, everything salad, we're gonna copy it and then paste it here on the name section, and then copy the description of everything salad into the description section, and then number 3, copy quinoa salad and then paste it here again in the name section. Don't include the number. And then let's copy the description of quinoa salad. Okay, copy it, paste it here, and then let's copy veggie salad rolls, then paste it here. Okay, copy the description and then paste it here. And lastly, the copy chili and then paste it here. And then copy the description of chili and then paste it here. Okay, so once we're done, actually, if you want, uh, you can see it here. We can make this into multiple paragraphs. You can uh, divide this into like that. If you want to bold, you can do bold or italic, so you can edit it like that. Alright, so let's go back. Let's just return it to its original state. Okay, okay, so see here, we filled everything on the name section and the description section. So the only left blank is the photo section. So we need to um, put some photos in here, and we will do that by going to pixabay.com. Remember that Pixabay is our resource for royalty-free images. So we have here um, ultimate tuna sandwich. So let's look for a photo of a tuna sandwich. Okay, so we're gonna save this photo, the tuna sandwich photo. Okay, and we're gonna look for the next item, everything salad. So let's look for a picture of a salad. Okay, so let's use this photo. Okay, and the next item is a quinoa salad. So let's look for a picture of a quinoa salad. Okay, so let's just save this. Okay, so next is veggie salad rolls. Alright, so let's copy and download. And the last item is chili. So let's look for a picture of chili. Okay, so let's use this photo. Alright, so we have downloaded all the photos. So next in the photo section, we have to click this icon besides the ultimate tuna sandwich. Okay, click this icon and then upload resource and a file, and then click the tuna sandwich photo. Click accept. Okay, just wait for it. Still loading. All right, and then click the check icon. All right, so next, everything salad, just click here, this icon, and then let's upload the picture of the salad. So the salad is here. Click accept. Okay, just wait for it a bit, and then click the check icon, and then quinoa salad. So let's click here, upload resource, file, and then the picture of the quinoa salad. Click accept, and click the check, and then we have the veggie salad roll. So click this, upload resource, file, veggie salad rolls, accept. Okay, just click this check button, and then lastly the chili, upload resource, file, and then the chili, and then click accept. Okay, so click the check. Alright, so once we finish all that, name, description, photo, we have to click the accept button here on the right. Alright, so we're done for that. So next is we need to create the data visualization for the data view, okay? So first we're gonna add, click the plus sign. Okay, we're gonna add a list view, okay? Click list view. Okay, and then after that you have to click this, it says list one. Just click this and then go here below. Okay, so it looks like a blank. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna drag a table. Okay, drag a table, and then here it says 50% and 50%. We're gonna change the first table into 25% here, 25%, and then the second table to 75%. Okay. All right, so next we're gonna hover over the image. Don't click it, just hover over it. All right, and then you see the photo. So this photo is the photo that we uploaded on the database. Remember that we uploaded photos on the database, and the column is called photo. So drag this photo on the first column, and then go to the text button, but I don't click it again. Just hover, okay? Just hover, and then once you hover, you're gonna see here. Sorry, you're gonna see your T name and T description. Remember the database we made. We made the database with the field name, okay, and then we made an field name description and field name. So we're gonna drag the name. Okay, this is from the database. Drag this over here. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, the name field, this 100%, we're gonna make it a little smaller, and then we're gonna align it on the center. Click align. Okay, so that's just that. That's for the list view. Okay, so this is the data visualization, okay, of the list view. So here you can't see what it looks like, but I will show you what it looks like. Okay, just hold on for a bit. So this is what it's look like. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is the I'm using an Android emulator. Okay, so this is the photo. Okay, this is the photo here. This is what it looks like, and then remember the name field. So this is the name field, ultimate tuna sandwich. So we just need to do this for the first row. We don't need it to do this for every row. It will automatically populate this using the information in our database. So again, this is what it looks like. Remember, we have 5 items: the ultimate tuna sandwich, everything salad, quinoa salad, veggie salad rolls, and the chili. Okay, so now rem- this is the list view. Okay, remember that. So now we're gonna create the detail view. So we're gonna click this plus button, and then we're gonna add the detail view. So this is the list view, this is the detail view. We need the detail view. So just click it. All right, and then it will add detail 1. So list 1 corresponds to detail 1. So you click detail 1. Okay, again, this looks empty here. Look at the bottom, it's empty. So we need to design what will it look like. So we're gonna we're gonna hover over the image button, but don't click it, just hover, and we go to the photo button. Okay, this is again from our database. So you drag the photo button here. Okay, photo. So next is we're gonna add a separator. Okay, but we're gonna make this line invisible again. So click here and then choose no line. All right, so next is we're gonna create um, a text, but if you hover here, Don't click, just hover. And then go to the T name. This is from our database. Okay? Text field, name, T name. So just drag this, okay, and put it here. Okay, so this is 100%. We're gonna make it smaller. Okay, and then put it on the center field. Alright, center, like that. Alright, so this is the name field from our database. Alright, so we're gonna add the description. So we're gonna add another separator, and then we're gonna make this line invisible again. So just go here and click no line. Okay, and then we're gonna hover again over to text field, and then go to T description. This means text field description. This is the description section of our database, so just drag T description here. Okay, so we're gonna change the size here. It says default size. We're gonna make it small. Click small. Okay, and then it's 100% width here, so we're gonna make it smaller. And then center alignment. All right, center alignment. So this is the data visualization for the detail view. Okay, so I want to show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the list view, and then the detail view is when this is what it looks like. Sorry about this. This is the add. Okay, because this is real-time Android emulator. So this is what it looks like. This is the photo. You can see here there's a photo, and then here's the name. Alright, so this is the name field, and this is the description field. Here's the description field. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Alright, but you need to connect this list view to the detail view. If you don't connect it, then it will not show, the detail view will not show. So I will teach you how to do this. So let's go back to the list view. Okay, click the list one, and then click this edit. All right, click edit, and then you can see this box is edit, right? Okay, so let's go to action. It says here do nothing, but we're gonna choose go to view. Okay, go to view, click go to view, and then you're gonna choose the detail one. This is how will it connect. Okay, so again, this is the we're in the list one, and then click edit, and then go to action. It says do nothing, but you have to go to view. Okay, this is a third item, go to view, and then we connect the detail section by, it says destination. What's the destination? Choose view, and then you're gonna choose detail one. Okay, that's how it's gonna connect. So there's the detail one and the list one. Okay, so this is what will happen. This is the list view. Remember this list one, right? If you click the item here that we connected, it will go to detail one. Okay, this is the detail view. If we don't connect the detail view to the list view, then all we're gonna see is like this. And even if we click this and click this, then the detail will not show. So it's very important that you connect the list view to the detail view. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.